Hey everyone, welcome back to part 2 of the Man's Search for Meaning series. On this episode, I want to talk about freedom. So specifically, it is what do we do with our free time? Everyone is unique. Everyone has different things that they do in their free time. The point that I'm trying to make is that if you do have this free time and you do not have this will to meaning, you do not have something that you feel like you can hold on to. The way that Viktor Frankl puts it is to act like you're living your second life almost as wrong as you lived your first life. The point that he's trying to make is that if you do have something within you, like Viktor Frankl did, some type of message, some type of inner calling, in your free time it could be very easy to just relax, to just lay back and do whatever it is we want to do. If we are continuously thinking about this inner calling, this inner passion, eventually if we don't work on it, that inner passion is going to die out. And then years later when we're wondering, what are we living for? What do we need to do? You will remember about this passion and reignite it, or you'll completely forget that you ever thought about it. We're focusing on the mental fortitude and attitude towards our will to live. If we have a strong sense that we are here for a purpose, that we are here because we have something that we need to put out into the world, this will is going to open up opportunities for us. If you remember, I posted a video on growth mindset. This applies to that same type of concept. Once we widen and broaden our scope of potential, once we are able to see that there are so many things that we can do, once we attract that into our life, this scope, this potential becomes our consciousness. We start to see things in a different light and we start to take opportunities as they come. So as much as it is important to focus on the inner self, to focus on our own personal strength and fortitude, our will to live, we do need to eventually seek the outer world. We do need to go out there and do the work or reach out to the people we need to reach out to. So one of the biggest tips that comes from this, at some point of your freedom, to go ahead and put your energy and your time into something or someone and see how much that change can be fulfilling to you in your life. That's all for this part. Plenty more to come. If you like the video, please give it a like and feel free to subscribe. Feel free to comment if you have read the book to tell me your biggest takeaways, and if you see some type of exercise that you do during your time that has helped you be more productive or has helped you relax even more. As always, I hope this helps. We'll see you next time.